like that. There you go. That's smart.
What's up, YouTube? Back here again at Max Speed Research and Development. We're here with Jesse and Miles welding inside, and we're doing some work on the exhaust.
We're getting the 4-inch downpipe made. He made a portion already at the shop. Now we're just adding to it, adding like the muffler and the flex pipe. So we're just gonna see how it fits, and he's gonna weld some parts to it right now.
So I'm gonna go ahead and film some shots of Miles working on the exhaust, and then we're gonna go head back to the shop, see how it all fits, and we're gonna be back and forth all day. So let's get to it. Alright, back here at the shop. Back at the shop. Turn on the lights, dude. Come on. Come on. Audience needs to see the car. Alright, for sure. So, just got back from Max Speed. More of the exhaust done. This, I guess you would call this the mid pipe, in quote unquote. Let's see how it ends up. You want to back up the car? Alright, for sure. Hold on, let me go around. Whoop, 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 whoop. Shut the fuck up, dude. Come on,
dude. Be serious on set, guys.
For sure. Boom. Right on? Right on? Did it like just go and flush this time? Theoretically?
Dude, honestly, honestly, dude, shout out Gabby Ibarra, dude.
Shut the fuck up. Oh.
See what happened?
This looks really good. Alright guys, this concludes today's episode. We worked on the exhaust today. More episodes to come, so make sure to stay tuned on that. I'm trying to upload as fast or as fucking as soon as we can, because it's about an hour drive for me to come down here to come film, but I'm really trying to keep up with the content. Make sure to stay tuned. Hopefully I can get a video of Miles from Max Speed finishing up the exhaust. Until then guys, see you next time.
Fuck up, bro.